Yeah. Sushant, good morning.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bachi. How is Sushant doing?
Ma'am, nice.
Nice, very good. So what are we going to do today in geography?
Ma'am, chapter 3. We are going to start chapter 3.
Okay, so what is this chapter 3 all about?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Daksh.
Ma'am, chapter 3 is all about the major landforms of the earth.
Ma'am,
Right.
Kamini ma'am has explained the ma'am half chapter.
Ma'am has explained half chapter. That's really very good. That is really very good. So today you are going to explain me what ma'am has explained you, right? Yes, Daksh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sushant?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Kamini ma'am has explained us till extinct volcanoes on page number 110.
Okay. Extinct volcano.
Yes.
Fine. Fine. That's really
Ma'am,
very
this class is combined.
Till
Yes, it's a
extinct
combined
volcanoes.
class. It's extinct volcano. So before I start today, I'll be asking you what you people have actually grasped in the previous class, right? How is Shreyansh Vyas doing?
Ma'am, fine.
You have a sister also,
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya Vyas.
Yes, ma'am.
She's in which class?
Ma'am, she has passed the school.
Okay, she has completed her 12th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay. How is Punita doing?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good afternoon. It is actually 12 o'clock, no? So it's
Sorry,
no.
ma'am. Good afternoon,
Okay.
ma'am.
Sorry, it is fine. I also said good morning when I was greeting Sushant because I forgot that it was 12 o'clock. Hanji? Yes, Dehre? You're saying something?
No, ma'am, nothing. Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Can we have the cameras on for everyone?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Pranit. How are you doing, beta?
Ma'am, I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good. I'm also good. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am,
Yes.
I've sent you all the work of second chapter.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You have
Good
seen,
afternoon.
ma'am?
Beta,
Ma'am,
many,
we have made the group.
we have
Ma'am,
made the group.
on our
Okay,
Good
fine.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Thank God.
Good afternoon. Let everybody come inside and then we'll start with the class, right?
Okay, ma'am.
How is Kavya doing?
Ma'am, fine, but not be able to camera today.
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, data is finished.
Ma'am, today my broadband is not working and ma'am, my data is 90% exhausted.
Okay,
Yes,
data is 90% exhausted. How come 90% you have exhausted your data since morning classes only?
Ma'am,
Yes,
actually,
ma'am.
since morning, since 7:30, we have classes. That is why the data is over.
Okay,
Yes,
no
ma'am.
issues. No, thank God. Thank God it is no, thank God it is not completely over. Otherwise, you would not have been able to take my class, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking in.
Maybe there is some network issue at your side.
Ma'am.
Maybe there is a network issue at your side.
Yes.
We have Ayushman Anand also in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Darsh Agarwal is taking entry by Devices, good morning. Ma'am,
Good afternoon,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning, Ayush. Good
Good morning,
afternoon.
ma'am.
Good morning, Biche. How is Ayushman doing? Good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hey, this is for the first time you are coming to the class, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it so?
Ma'am, actually, I am not having the book.
So what? See, when you have a teacher, why do you need a book? Tell.
Ma'am, it's not available in the market.
It is fine.
Aishman, I will send you the PDF.
Yes, see, such helpful friends you have in the class. Jasmine Kaur is taking, she's joining through 2 devices. I need to check out this as well. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bache. Okay. Those who can open the cameras, they can keep their cameras on. Right?
Ma'am, I can only open for 2 minutes.
No, don't open then, and don't exhaust your data unnecessarily. Right? You have one more class to go, or this is the last
Ma'am,
class.
no. Ma'am, this is the last.
Ma'am, this is the last class.
This is the last.
Okay. Right.
Ma'am, this is the last class.
Fine. So you are full of energy or completely exhausted?
Ma'am,
Full of
75. Ma'am, 75%
Ma'am,
exhausted. I'm exhausted.
Ma'am, 99% left.
Left?
Ma'am, because he gets energy by eating. Ma'am, by eating student's brain.
Ma'am, 0% exhausted.
Ma'am, I cannot hear, ma'am. The voice is breaking.
Daksh,
Ma'am,
maybe
see,
at your
ma'am
side
is
there is
taking
some
energy from others.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good morning.
ma'am,
Yes,
I want
Karthik.
to tell the reason. Ma'am, I want to tell the reason that why Daksh is having 100% energy. Ma'am, I will tell you how. Ma'am, because he takes energies from others.
Acha, that is,
By eating their brain.
it is a very good this thing, no? If by eating others' brain you are energized throughout the day, so let us carry on with that only, isn't it?
My other people's brains are getting finished then.
See, at least see when we
will be
are others. Huh? What? I didn't understand. What did you say, beta?
This will be selfishness.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not selfishness. It is okay. See, we should always be involved in those activities that keep us energized, that keep us active, isn't it?
Ma'am, but this is selfishness.
Why?
Ma'am, I never did that. Ma'am, I never did that.
Okay, fine.
Like Daksh wants every chance. He doesn't want to give anyone one chance.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, is it so?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the last session, ma'am, one time, ma'am, when you were taking classes from school, ma'am,
Yes.
one time, ma'am, the teacher got disconnected. Ma'am, I said him brain eater, so he removed me from the meeting.
Really? Daksh, you did that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. He is the
He's
host. I
not
think.
done.
And ma'am, then Kavya.
See, when people, you know, when people give you such names.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kavya.
ma'am, so I also took revenge in an exercise, ma'am. I also
Yes,
removed it.
ma'am. He
Really?
also removed. Ma'am, last class Kavya,
Ma'am,
the
last
host,
session.
and he removed the
Daksh. Ma'am, so there was much silence in the class.
Acha. And how is Sarthak Sharma doing? Good?
Ma'am, I'm doing good.
Very good. Okay. So, I think last week when I had a class with you, that day, your arrangement was with different teachers, right? 3 different teachers took your
Yes,
classes.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
last week, ma'am, we didn't have one class of social, ma'am, geography, ma'am, because no teacher was there in that class. And in the second class, ma'am, we had an arrangement with ma'am Gauravdev Sharma sir.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And one of the class was taken by, I think, Neha ma'am, and the other class was
No,
taken.
ma'am. No,
Huh?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
only one class was taken by Gaurav sir and ma'am, other class was not taken by
Ma'am,
anyone.
actually, in
Huh?
Wednesday, last Wednesday, actually, sir, the art principal sir said the ma'am is on leave, so you can take rest and wait.
Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
so that period was a free
Ma'am,
period.
in the last class, we have done
Ma'am,
the 2 chapters.
But Zaira is saying something, Zaira?
So, ma'am, Riti ma'am took in 7th B.
Thursday, Riti ma'am took, right? Okay, fine. I was unwell, but now I'm perfectly all right. I missed you people a lot, you know.
ma'am, we also
Ma'am, I
missed
think
you
you
a
got.
lot.
Ma'am, I think you
Ma'am, we
got
really
migraine
miss you.
attack.
How do you know?
Massive attack.
Yeah, right.
Ma'am, just a dukka.
Acha, Tukka, oh my God. I have this
Ma'am, he
problem.
told me. He
Ma'am,
told
what
me that
happened to
you
you, ma'am?
are suffering from a massive attack. He told me that.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I didn't told her. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
what
didn't
is-
told her.
Yes.
Ma'am, please, what is
Tell,
that?
I didn't tell her. Say, I didn't tell
Ma'am,
her.
hope you are fine.
Ma'am, I didn't tell her.
Perfectly all right. See, I'm taking your class. I'm talking to you. I'm smiling. I'm
Yes,
so
ma'am.
happy, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So one class did up till extinct volcanoes. The other class, what did Riti ma'am taught you that day in that class?
Ma'am, we did Hindi.
Okay, fine,
Oh.
fine. So no geography was done. And what about Gaurav Dev sir? What did he take?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, extra knowledge. Ma'am, extra knowledge.
extra
Extra
knowledge
knowledge. So
about
because he's
black
your
fungus.
GK. Okay, he's your GK
Ma'am,
teacher.
black fungus.
Okay,
Ma'am,
black
he was
fungus.
telling about black fungus.
Ma'am, black fungus cases is
Disease.
now, ma'am, more.
Ma'am,
Black
this is a disease.
fungus cases are Daksh. What you're telling?
Ma'am is saying that, ma'am, black fungus cases are increasing. Ma'am is saying
Yes,
that.
ma'am. He's
Okay.
saying that black fungus cases are increasing.
Yes. But then with precautions, of course, you can avoid everything, right?
Yes,
And-
ma'am.
Yes,
How
ma'am. Ma'am, I saw on news that, ma'am, by taking excess of steroids, ma'am, it can affect that. Ma'am, black fungus will not affect us.
Exactly.
I've
Ma'am,
read
bird
in
flu is
Ma'am,
newspaper.
did
also
you
spreading
know
in humans
America
now.
2 scientists say that
Ma'am, I've-
COVID-26 and COVID-32 is there?
Okay.
America
Ma'am,
2 scientists.
There are several.
Oh.
Ma'am,
See,
I've
several
read in news.
things are there in news. We should not listen to everything, you know. Reason being, sometimes
Ma'am,
we become.
Ma'am, watch
will-
movie.
Ma'am, that will cause a
That,
depression.
Ma'am,
Exactly.
if you,
Yes.
ma'am,
Say.
I'm saying that I've read in news, if we use more of the mobiles, so
Ma'am,
then
that is why I never
our
allow
eyes,
my father to see
our eyes
news.
get blind and we suffer from black fungus. This is
Okay.
the effect of mobile. If we see more mobile, is more and more evening 1 hour.
Huh.
So
See,
then,
actually,
ma'am,
I'll tell you
cause
one
black
thing.
fungus.
Classes are important because we all know schools are not running, right? We are not having
Ma'am,
Yes,
after the
ma'am.
class.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
But there
Classes
are
are
Yes,
important.
But there are many children, you know, they do attend the classes, but then after the class also, they don't do away with the
Yes,
mobile.
ma'am.
They
Yes, ma'am.
they
They
want to
didn't.
play games, they want to, like, there are several things that you do on mobile, right? But then we should, keeping our health in mind, we should keep these things at a distance once we are done with the classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Sharma.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my mother told that
Yes.
after the class only, ma'am, 1 o'clock is there, so 1 hour you will not see any television. You will not open television and mobile. So 1
That is
hour I'm
good.
playing with my brother. My
That is
small brother.
that is really very good. That is really very good. At least you
Ma'am,
will
1
develop
hour
a
is
bonding.
ma'am, today we will have a meeting of with 2 friends, mine.
Okay, that's very good. That's really good.
Ma'am,
And what
about
about
science
Prakash?
invention.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, for my eyes, ma'am, my mother is, ma'am, ordering Blu-ray lenses for me.
Okay. Okay. Prakash, how are you doing, beta?
Ma'am, I am good.
Good. And how is your sister?
Ma'am, she is also good.
She's also good? Very good. Fine. Okay. So let us start. Because only one class has started with the chapter. So we'll start it from the beginning, right?
Okay,
As you-
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
As you
Ma'am,
all
we are
know.
doing second chapter one more time.
No, third chapter, beta. Second chapter we
Ma'am.
completed long time back, right?
Ma'am, we have
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we
Yes.
completed it a long time back.
Chapter,
Yes.
ma'am, for long time back.
Yes. We are doing earth movements and major landforms, right?
Ma'am, we have
Yes,
to start with that. Ma'am, we have
you
to
have to
start.
start.
Earth movements
Man, major
Ma'am,
landforms.
Board is too far.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
I know
Ma'am, my voice is coming
ma'am,
to
please do
you.
not. Ma'am,
Ma'am, my voice is coming to
Ma'am,
you.
no.
yes, Athar, your voice is coming.
yes you are audible bacha, don't worry, you
Ma'am?
are audible. Yes,
Ma'am, your screen is coming, ma'am, too much well, ma'am. So please don't write anything on the board.
I am not writing anything on the board, I just wrote the name of the chapter, right?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
It's clearly
Right?
visible.
Ma'am, it's clearly visible.
Fine.
and ma'am, if you it is
Hmm?
not visible, so the chapter name is written on our book also. We can see with
Yes,
this also.
ma'am.
Right. Okay, fine. It is okay. No issues. See, this chapter is all about Earth. It is all about Earth movements and the major landforms. We all know
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
that the Earth is consistently moving. Do you know this fact?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
How the
Yes,
Earth is moving? What makes the Earth move?
Yes,
Wait, nobody will say like this. Let me call out the name, right?
Ma'am, access.
Wait. How does the Earth move? Can Ayushman tell this?
Ma'am, it moves on its axis.
That is, so it revolves and rotates
Ma'am,
around and
ma'am,
on.
its tectonic plates also moves.
Yes, very good. The lithospheric plates into which the Earth is divided, these plates, they are also called as the tectonic plates. These plates
Yes, ma'am.
make the Earth move consistently. See, we are taking the class, but then beneath the surface of the Earth, those plates, those lithospheric plates which are there, the tectonic plates that we have, they are consistently moving, right? They are moving like this, slow, but then sometimes what happens, because of the internal pressure force from beneath the surface, beneath the Earth, the force becomes so vigorous that these plates, they start moving very fast, and they crush. And when they crush,
Yes, ma'am.
either they go upwards or they come downwards. Either the space is created,
Either there is a hole or either there is a
or a landform is formed, right? Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Very good.
yes,
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
We'll
ma'am.
be reading about what are these plate movements. Then we'll be reading about the endogenic forces and the exogenic forces. There are several forces that work on the surface of the Earth and beneath the surface of the Earth, right? Now, what are those forces that we are going to read in this chapter? Then we'll be reading about, the endogenic forces that causes volcanoes, that causes earth, right? Earthquakes, right? Tsunamis in water. Like these, the internal forces that are there, they work on two surfaces. One is on beneath the surface of the Earth, and one is on the oceanic surface. The oceans that we have, the seas that we have, they work on that as well. I hope this much is clear,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you must have heard about Nepal earthquake.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard of Nepal earthquake?
Ma'am, it is given in book, ma'am. Page number 111,
Yes.
Kathmandu.
Okay, Daksh, very good. So have you ever heard about this earthquake?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you there? Were you born when this earthquake took place?
Yes.
Yes, but you people were quite
No,
young.
ma'am.
Yeah, अरे, of course you people were there, भाई. 10 साल के तो हो आप लोग. More than 10 years you people.
Yes, ma'am.
So by that, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
2015. That means you people must be quite young, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have seen.
Ma'am, I am in first class. in that.
I was in.
You are in first class, Daksh?
Mama.
How come you were in class 1? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I'm saying that. Wow.
This is what, no, Daksh.
Ma'am, it's very long story.
Tell, please. I would like to listen to that nice story.
Ma'am, we would also.
Okay, Daksh, in the last 10 minutes of the class, you tell me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, right. Now, then we'll be reading about the, you all know that rivers that we have, these rivers, when they travel within the places where these rivers they travel, they make several landforms with the water only. You have heard of lakes, you have heard of, meanders, you have heard of valleys, V-shaped valley, I-shaped valley, right? Right? Have you heard
Yes,
of?
ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
These valleys, where the shapes that are made by the river water over the passage where it travels, that also we are going to read in this chapter. It is a very interesting chapter. I love this chapter, I really love this chapter, because what you will be reading in this chapter, same thing will be repeated in class 9th. Same thing as it is. So you need to grasp everything that you will be reading.
Ma'am, after 2 years back, after 2 years.
Exactly.
After
After
Ma'am, that will be easy for our ninth class.
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
If you'll understand the concepts here, you'll be able to carry on with the concepts that are there in class 9th, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sky, do you have a brother?
Yes, ma'am.
He's in which class?
Ma'am, because of lockdown, ma'am, his admission is not done, ma'am.
So otherwise, he's young, very young.
Yes, ma'am. He's of 3 years old, ma'am.
Okay. I thought you have an elder brother. Fine, fine. It is completely okay. Then, then we'll be reading about various landforms that are made by the wind and various landforms that are made by the wave. Have you ever seen, have you ever gone to sea or beaches?
Yes, ma'am.
You know
Yes,
how
Yes, ma'am.
these beaches are
No,
formed?
ma'am.
No problems. I will take you virtually to these places. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Please take it.
Okay. Now, the sea waves that we have, these sea waves, they are responsible for making beaches, right? Then you must have experienced, several features. Is the board little bit visible to you people?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fully visible.
Clearly visible.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
fully
you may
visible.
put yourself on the spotlight.
How? I don't know how to do that, beta. Please tell.
Ma'am, I have just pinned your video.
Okay. So others also can do the same thing?
Ma'am, on laptop I have
already.
done.
I have also done it.
Right. Fine. Fine.
I have also done it.
See, when we talk of the rivers work, when we talk of waves work, when we talk of winds work. See, when we are talking about this, we are actually talking about the various landforms that are formed by these agents of gradation. They are called as agents of gradation. Water also makes a lot of, like river has water in it, so the water also makes several landforms. The waves that we have, they also make several landforms. You must have seen that, sometimes in the river, when you go to a sea, you see something like this, a cliff like structure. This is
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
Have you ever observed this? In the
Yes,
movies,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
That time I was small, so I don't.
right? In the movies they have shown, right?
Yes,
Right? So
yes, ma'am.
these features, they are all
Yes,
made
ma'am.
of the waves that are in the sea, right? Has Sanya taken admission in the class? She was waiting, she was joining
Yes, ma'am.
quite some time. Okay, fine. Right. Fine. This much is understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever observed the rainwater falling on the ground?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When
Yes,
continuously
ma'am.
when continuously water falls on the surface of the earth, what happens? Suppose it is a plain surface, right? Water is falling continuously at a place. What it will do? Water will make space over here, right?
Ma'am, it will be external force. So
It is an external force. So what this force will do? This force will tend to make hole in the land, or if not hole, then a space is created by the water, and water starts moving in a particular direction, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
Yes,
Similar-
ma'am.
Like, have you ever
Ma'am,
observed?
my voice is coming to you.
Yes, beta, your voice is coming to me, Atar.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Now, see, have you ever observed that when you move on a path continuously, suppose there is no road, but on a grass surface, on a land which has grass over it, you keep on moving. And over a period of time, not in a day or so, but over a period of time, what happens in that particular space or place, the land becomes completely without grass and a passage is created. Have you ever observed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
This happens. This happens because we as human beings, we keep on moving on that same land and we tend to make a path for us, right? A path for us. Similarly, the river water, the waves and the winds that we have, they also make paths for themselves, right? When try this at home, like after the classes are over, after you are done with your lunch and everything, go go outside the balcony or the terraces that you have, take water with you, a good amount of water, and from a height, pour that water on the ground and see how the water makes spaces for itself to move around. It will not go in one direction. It will split into several directions, right?
Yes.
Right? Have you ever observed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why this happens, do you know? Why this happens, do you know? Ayushman? No? No? Anybody in the class?
No, ma'am.
The slope of the land that we have, suppose the terrace there where we are, pouring that water, the slope of that terrace will make way for the water. Similarly, when the river water is moving, wherever it can move gently, it gets, suppose this is a river water coming, right? So if there is a hard rock, what will happen? The water may bulge out, may, move over the rock, or it may go from beneath. Right? Two ways, the water has two ways to cross, either from the upward part or the downward side, right? And this is how, when over a period of time the river water travels, it tend to make several landforms, right? I hope this much part is clear and understood to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then
Ma'am.
there are
Yes,
some
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm understood.
very,
Yes, ma'am.
very good, very good. So now I'm showing you a PPT that has been prepared. So we'll go through that PPT one by one. I'll tell you people to read it one by one, but nobody will make noise, right?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Fine. Just a second, huh?
Ma'am, please send on group.
What? I'm sharing the PPT with you over here in the class only. Why to send it on the group? Let me share the screen. I am sharing the screen. This is the PPT and here it goes, right? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. It's here.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us have Falak reading it.
Ma'am, I think it's NCRT.
Yes, this is NCRT book only, but then the content is the same. You don't have to worry about the
Yes,
content.
ma'am, chapters are same.
Chapters are same. Chalo, Falak, can you read?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Our changing Earth. Introduction. Our Earth changes constantly, not only on the outside surface, but also, also from the inside. Rivers, lakes, islands, and mountains come and go all the time, but it changes so slowly that we hardly notice anything. Millions of years ago, all the continents were joined together in a supercontinent, which we all called it Pangaea means land. Due to internal pressure and plate movement, Pangaea broke into pieces which later on called continents, and between them the water was called oceans.
Okay,
Under the
wait, Falak. Is this much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is
Yes,
notes, I
ma'am.
think, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The top of
Okay.
it.
we
In
read this
telegraphy
in
chapter.
our
Very good.
previous classes
Next.
also.
Wait. Anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Let us have Zehra. Let us have Zehra reading next.
Due to internal pressure and plate movement, Pangaea broke into pieces which later on continents, and between them,
This was red. Zehra, this was red. Next point you have to
okay,
read.
ma'am, under the continents we have continental crust, and under the oceans we have oceanic crust. Our lithosphere is broken into number of plates known as lithosphere
Plates.
plates. These are large rigid slabs of solid rocks moving on molten magma, which are very slow movements. On the basis of these movements, there are two categories. The forces that move and change landform could be inside the earth. Internal forces, also known as, now what's this? Endogenic forces, or on the outside, external forces, also known as exogenic force.
Okay, fine,
forces.
Zehra. Fine, Zehra. Prakarsh was raising hand. Yes, Prakarsh.
Ma'am, I was not raising hand.
But it was showing that Prakarsh raised his hand. Never mind.
ma'am.
Never mind. Never mind.
I think it was Prakhar.
I thought maybe you want to ask something. It is fine. Okay, Prakash.
Yes,
Read
ma'am.
now. Read now.
Endogenic forces work under the surface of the earth, like earthquake, volcano. There are types of endogenic forces: sudden and dystrophic. Exogenic forces work
Diastrophic. It is sudden and
diastrophic.
diastrophic. Yes,
Sudden
baby.
and
Yes.
Ma'am, after Prakhar, I can read.
Everyone will read. You need to say, ma'am, after Prakhar, may I read? You are seeking permission, no? May I read? You can ask that way. So I'll tell everyone to read. Don't worry for that, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Carry on, Prakhar.
Exogenic force.
Ma'am, it is
Exogenic-
notes.
Beta, it is, I have prepared so that your learning becomes easy. Okay?
Exogenic forces work on the surface of the earth, such as erosion and deposition by wind, water, air, etc.
Right. Now, talking about this first slide that is there, they say that the whole of the earth that we have, it was all the continents which were there, they were all combined together and they were called as Pangaea. And when this land, when this Pangaea which was there, when it broke, it was called, because of the plate movements and the pressure from beneath the surface of the earth, this got divided. Punitha, don't do this, please.
Ma'am, actually by mistake, I'm just scrolling, so that by mistake.
Okay, agreed. Chalo. So when it broke down into pieces, continents and oceans were formed. So the land, continents were the lands, and the places in between the land that was there, it came to be known as oceans because it had water in it. So the continent where we have continents, it is called as the continental crust, and the place where we have the oceans, it is called as the oceanic crust. Do you remember that Sial and Saima that we did in the previous class? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
About the earth's
Yes.
crust, no? Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I remember.
In that it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
written, no? It was written, no, that the first layer that we have, it is divided into two parts, continental crust and the oceanic crust.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is what it is talking about. Then they said, then it says that the lithosphere which was there, it was broken into plates, which was called as lithospheric plates. And because these plates which were there, they were moving on the molten magma. हमने आपको बताया था ना, that in the interior of the earth, if you see, you will find everything Beta, is the recording going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the interior of the earth, everything is in a solid form. The third layer, the second layer that we have, it is in a liquid form. So these solid rocks that are there, lithospheric plates, these are moving on that molten magma. The movement is very slow, but then
Okay, ma'am.
sometimes when there is pressure, when there is Nishika, क्या कर रहे हो बच्चा? Don't do it. Who is this Nishika?
Ma'am, it's happening by itself. I am doing nothing.
So wait a second, then let me disable. चलिए कर दिया डिसेबल सबके लिए. चलो ठीक है. This much is clear now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now when you know when these plates they move, when the movement is normal, it moves normally, but when there is when excess pressure is exerted, because of that these plates they start moving vigorously, and when they move vigorously they tend to collide with each other, right? Right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. Fine. Now, when these lithospheric plates, when they collide, when they move, when they collide, three types of movements they occur. These movements that we'll be reading in the next slide, right? Okay. Then it is talking about the forces, inside force, which is called as internal force, and the outside force, the exogenic force, which is, who is this Ayushi Sharma taking entry in the class of your class?
Ma'am of 7th A.
Okay, fine.
No, ma'am, of
Seventh.
7th A.
Fine, bacha, fine. So there are two types of forces that work internally and externally, right? Endogenic forces, the internal forces, and the exogenic forces, the external forces. Now, these endogenic forces, when they work under the surface of the earth, they tend to bring earthquakes and volcanic eruptions take place, right? Right? And when the exogenic forces are working, then erosion and the deposition takes place. हमने पढ़ा है ना erosion क्या होता है? Cutting down of the top layer. हाँ. And we have also read about deposition. जो rivers होते हैं, river water अपने upper and the middle stage में जो है they bring sediments with them, and जो lower stage होता है इनका, we'll read it new, they start doing deposition. ठीक है, जो sediments से अपने साथ लेके आते हैं. Wind क्या करती है? Have you ever heard of wind sand dunes and barkans? Have you ever heard of sand dunes?
Sand dunes.
Yes, ma'am. Can do.
Sand dunes or the barkans that we have, they are formed because of the action of the wind, right?
Yes, ma'am. Because
Right?
of the wind.
Because of the erosion and then deposition. Take the sand from one side, and when the wind stops blowing, it tend to deposit the sand at one place, and the sand dunes are formed. Barkans are also dunes only. These are also forms of sand forms. आपका land की form है, which is made by the wind in the desert regions, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now coming to the second slide. Earth movement. Can we have Vrinda reading it? Okay, Hassan.
Yes, ma'am.
Vrinda, wait. Let Hassan read, okay? Yes, Hassan.
Okay, ma'am.
Earth movement. Forces that occur beneath under the surface of the earth are called endogenic forces.
Yes.
And they are two types. Sudden forces, which are immediate like earthquake, volcano, landslide, etc. Diastrophic forces, these forces behind slow processes that create the major features of Earth's crust. With the help of tectonic plates, including continents, mountains, ocean beds, floods, and faults.
Folds and faults.
Folds and faults. The forces that work on.
Wait. Now, see, when we talk of the endogenic forces, they are of two types. One are sudden forces, and when the sudden forces work, they tend to bring earthquakes and volcanic eruptions and the landslides. right? And when diastrophic forces they work, these are very slow forces, very slow force. And when it works, it tend to bring changes on the surface of the earth. अब क्या होता है, नीचे के फोर्सेस जब वर्क करते हैं, उन नीचे के फोर्सेस के वर्क करने की वजह
Bye,
से,
ma'am.
अरे why bye, what is this?
What is this? It's 12:39 only.